Here I have BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time on this device. So to do that, you just have to go to the settings, scroll to the bottom, tap on language. Here you have to select this date and time, and usually you just have to the date and time settings, time zone, your hour format set up automatically. But you can disable these functions and set your date. You can change your time, change your region and the time zone here. And of course you can change your time format from like 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.